Goodness, sounds of greatness, hard competition. Goodness, sounds of greatness, hard competition. Grab a cold Guinness and enjoy Guinness Sounds of Greatness every Saturday at 9:30 p.m. on TVJ. Must be 18 years or older.
I know who should have win it, I will win it up. But the clash really close. Right now it's very close. And I'm a clash analyst. I'm a world title winner, so close. So I'm gonna know it. Who you think win? No, you know the clash a turn up. I don't care if it's talk about win. No, the clash a up. Who you think win?
I know who win. I know, I don't know, it's turn up, that's why I'm glad to see me, I don't know.
Right now, Chupa, I don't know who win. Who you think win? Who win the clash?
Judges, it's for the general, 15 minutes, huh? No noise, Maestro, hands. How much say boom boom with the clasher? Hands, no noise, hands. Hands alone, hands. Maestro, hands. How many say Maestro with the clasher?
Somebody tell us about the clash tonight. What goes into selecting a winner? Because there's a tight clash between Boom Boom and Maestro.
Well, I want to tell you, to be very honest, I had to be relying on cool face and the neutral crowd tonight because the sound was horrible. So I really couldn't hear a lot of the build up to what the artists were saying. And at my age, I'm not as familiar with some of them new songs as possible. But it's about research. It's about the amount of time you spend and read up your audience. And you can't just play with a sound clash. You can't just play for the sound that you made, the people that you're sure about. You have to play a song for everybody. I mean, and I think Maestro tonight read up that a little better and play a song that everybody knew. I mean, everybody could have, knew the neutral. So what happens that every time I look, I was using the neutral crowd to kind of judge. And Maestro had the neutral crowd even more. Although Boom Boom had more crowd, more fans, but Maestro had more than neutral crowd. So I was taking my cue from a set of select dancing that was on the place.
Alright, first thing first, big up Guinness. Because it's like a dying art form in Jamaica we need to keep up. So big up to Guinness to keeping this great sound clash alive and doing well. Well, personally for me, like Boom Boom, first round juggling round, I gave Boom Boom the first round. Second round, it was like Boom Boom was doing well with the juggling, but because Maestro did his homework and went for those last two songs with the Boom Boom in it and whatever, it shows that he did some actual research. So I gave him that round. The 1-for-1 now was very close. I was very indecisive about picking a winner at that point because, you know, I said back and forth. So I decided to make one more song. One thing, a 1-for-1 double rhythm is a big part of it. You need to, like, the rhythm difference is a foundation clash rhythm that gives a person an edge. The double with its own name, calling of sound's name, and all the double is written and the spit, or how to spit the dub and how to recreate the dub, that is a big factor in picking a 1-for-1 dub. See, so that's a big part of it. So these are some of the main factors. And then thirdly, speech of the selector. Because if the selector intro his song properly and says something about the next selector and the song comes in and show the same thing that he said, then it's an extra point to him right away. You will look into his corner and say, boy, he's at the upper hand right here and then. So that is the main factor in picking like a winner for a clash. So Guinness Sounds of Greatness, good to go again. After Maestro, you pull it off at the finishing line because guess what? Boom Boom dropped the button at the end, right before the line right there, dropped the button. So that's how I came up with Maestro.
Yeah, I'm there, see.
Alright, so tell us about the clash.
Well, right now, when we come to the clash, go back to the truth. We come get Boom Boom there, one song, one nice song, half time. Beautiful. When you see, when Boom Boom over for the 1-to-1, the Maestro player a song where really have the crowd going. But right now, the C class, me and was very close. When they took the decision, they gave Maestro. But Boom Boom played very nice too. It's a close class. It's a close class.
Now that clash is stubborn. Man, I'm sure so them have crazy fans, but here what? At the end of the day, experience do it. So me I say, don't know. We agree 7 man put out them work and all of these things, but Maestro make a comeback day. Boom Boom slightly win the juggling round, but when Maestro do him homework and go and study that song with a degree there, one you a boom. No, typically from me I go to school, a man would see a girl and say, hey, fatty boom boom. You know what I mean? And then the man go a boom, she boom, shalala. The man say from yo, and a normal something go on. You understand? And the man them get a look around of them for play Guinness. I mean, I know boom go do play it. Maestro one go and take the whole place. Yo, Maestro go hard there. Turn up the scheme, you know, a Guinness sound for greatness. You attack the Ritz squad, you know, we're not normal.
Shoot up! And I play a beer 45 man boom boom. And one cheer boom boom. I'm getting the walk again, people. Go now!
Tough clash.
No, what I know, boss. You know you're not tough. I thought show up on the TV. Rob me, you know.
Rob you?
Yeah, man, and everybody there in the seat. The judge rob me. Cold face a Gaza. And other man is an old judge. And the man said, one thing I want to say, all you and a Maestro. You see me? So you and the people man hear it on the TV and so I go on.
But you think you should have win, right?
No, but I win by a landslide. The man win a road, and everybody know that. I messed up with the last song still. But when them say the last song, I lose my focus and I not tell a lie. Because I shouldn't go for your last song. You see me? Rob me. Everything good still.
If they done win already, luck never tie, the last clash never did for happen, them just fight against it.
Flawless. Well, you don't know, big up Boom Boom. I'm a friend. And if he had won, I would still say big up Boom Boom because he's my friend. Because he's one of the fraternity. He's my co-worker. You know what I mean? So, you know, props goes out to Boom Boom. But, you know, the better man tell. You know what I mean? Like I tell the crowd since that I'm fat, my belly big, my can't manage to jump up and count and jump up and run at the back. I can't manage something there, right? I'm very old, right? And I'm fat, I'm overweight, not obese as yet, but I can't manage something there. You know, I do my thing. Experience teaches wisdom. That is the first thing I have to teach people. You know what I mean? It's not about top 10 music. It's not about what I want now, but experience. And you know, this is what brought me through. And you know, I really thank my fans. I thank Guinness. No respect to Guinness. You know, because I haven't got to get officially, but I'm a Guinness entrepreneur. I'm a Guinness personality. You know what I mean? I said love goes out to Guinness because I love Guinness. You know, I normally drink Guinness every day, every night. So big up the people on Guinness Facebook page, right? Big up at Maestro Facebook, right? Big me up on Twitter, I'm up on Twitter blow. That's what I say. You don't know, big up Facebook people, big up Guinness.
Alright, Maestro. Going forward, what can the next competitor, what words will you tell him going forward in the clash, the next competitor you're facing?
Well, I don't know who I'm going to face yet in the next clash, but watch out, because at Maestro, I have chicks in trade and I have matches back in business. So I say, so look out for that. It's not a regular thing, it's a mix up and a blend. See, I will cook up something for them, I strike up something for them. So next competitor, watch out, because I come for you, kick you away, clean, at Maestro. That's it. That home, can't tire, paranoid. You see me I say, Guinness.
When comes a thing called Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Catch it every single Saturday night on TVJ at 9:30. Guinness, reach for greatness.